In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add someone to an email thread in Outlook, step by step, in a simple way that's perfect for beginners. Sometimes you're already in the middle of an email conversation and realize someone else needs to be included. Maybe it's a teammate, a manager, or a client. Instead of starting a brand new email, Outlook lets you add them directly to the existing thread. First, open Microsoft Outlook. You can use either the desktop app or Outlook on the web. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your inbox where all your emails are listed. Next, find the email conversation you want to add someone to. Click on that email to open the full thread so you can see the messages inside it. Now, look for the Reply All option and click it. This is important because it keeps everyone who's already part of the conversation included while also letting you add a new person. When the reply window opens, take a look at the top of the message. If you don't already see the CC field, look for an option that says something like Show CC and click it. This will give you a space to add another recipient. Click inside the CC field and start typing the name or email address of the person you want to add. Outlook will automatically suggest contacts as you type. When you see the correct name, click on it to add them to the email. Once the new person is added, you can type your message as usual. It's a good idea to briefly explain why you're including them, especially if they're new to the conversation. When you're done, click Send. That's it. The person you added will now receive the email and be included in all future replies within that thread. And that's how you add someone to an email thread in Outlook. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.